around 15 minutes, 15 minutes from here to get to the restaurant. And after that, we will visit the Lady Buddha statue that in the Linh Ứng Pagoda. Linh Ứng Pagoda. After that, we will visit the Coconut Village. How do you see the basketball? Around the small and around the spin around. After that, we will have a dinner. Maybe today we will have dinner early around 5 p.m. Around 5 p.m. After that, we will visit Hội An Asian Town. There are a lot of souvenirs and you have a free time and you can buy anything.
Wow.
Okay.
That's
Yeah.
good.
Yes, that's good.
Yes, that's good.
They have so
And,
many money.
I'm a millionaire.
Money.
You are a
millionaire.
millionaire.
A lot more shopping.
Yes. Because you know,
Apple.
$100 US, 2.6 million
Dollar.
Vietnam dong. Yes.
Yes.
So, 2.6 million. So everyone, you are the millionaire. About the peso, 1,000 peso, 400,000 Vietnam dong. 5,000 peso, 2 million Vietnam dong. Yeah.
Yes, ganun pala. Ganun din pala dito.
5,000 peso yung 5,000. Ako 3 million, 1 million lang yung 3,000.
1 million and 3,000.
Diba kapag 5K, ano? 2 million. 5,000.
Eh, may mga
Yes,
bata
the
nagbabike,
5,000.
oh.
2 million.
Mga estudyante nagbabike, oh.